To create a YouTube channel, you'll need to follow these steps. Go to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one first. Click on the camera icon in the top right corner of the screen and select YouTube Studio. On the left side menu, click on Customization. In the Basics section, click on Channel. Click on the Create a New Channel button. Choose whether you want to create a personal channel or a brand channel. Fill in the required information, such as your channel name and profile picture. You may also want to add a description of your channel to help people understand what your channel is about. Once you've set up your channel, you can start uploading videos and building your audience. You can also customize your channel by adding a header image, changing your channel art, and adding channel sections to showcase your videos. To make sure your channel is discoverable to other people, you may also want to optimize your channel for search by using keywords in your channel name and description, and by including keywords in your video titles and descriptions. That's it. With these steps, you can create your own YouTube channel and start sharing your content with the world. Sure, here are some additional tips to help you create and grow your YouTube channel. Define your niche. Before you start creating content, it's important to have a clear understanding of what your channel is about and who your target audience is. This will help you create content that is relevant and engaging to your audience. Consistency is key. To keep your audience engaged and coming back for more, it's important to upload videos regularly. Whether you upload once a week, twice a month, or every day, having a consistent schedule is essential. Promote your channel, share your videos on social media, embed them on your website, and collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Interact with your audience, respond to comments and engage with your followers. This will help you build a community of dedicated viewers who are more likely to watch, like, and share your videos. Use high-quality equipment. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-quality camera, microphone, and lighting, to make sure your videos look and sound professional. Optimize your videos for search. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make it easier for people to find your videos when they search on YouTube. Make use of annotations and end screens. Use annotations to promote your other videos and channel, and end screens to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel or watch more of your videos. Experiment with different types of videos. Try creating different types of videos, such as vlogs, tutorials, reviews, and how-to videos, to see what resonates best with your audience. By following these tips, you can create a successful YouTube channel that is engaging, enjoyable, and profitable.